Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we are unboxing the A Little Touch of Magick subscription box. If you're not familiar with my other unboxings, I've unboxed this one quite a few times. This box is completely unique in that it is, well, there's my friend. Come here, you want to say hi really quick? Come here. They didn't get to see you. Guys, we're in our new spot. They won't get to see you. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. So cute. Okay. So this is based around a short story. They're themed, and then there's like 6 to 8 items in each box. Or I want to say 6 to 8, it could be 5 to 7, I'm not sure. But there's a lot of items in here. It's $45.99. I love this box. It's so unique. Sorry, my hair is like in my eyes. It's so unique, and there's just nothing else like it. So let's open it up. Now this is the September box. I got this like at the end of September. I don't know if it was my mail or what. So I try, you gotta get to this. You gotta get to it. All right, so it says, here are your gifts from Florence. And then on the back it lists each of our items, and it usually gives retail price. So we'll look at that at the end of the video as well. All right, to whoever found my purse. Oh, I didn't take a picture of this. Oh, look at how pretty. It's a diary. Oh my gosh. Have I ever told you guys how when I was a kid, like I was obsessed with reading things written in diary form just because I'm like so nosy. Like I am extremely nosy. So my name is Florence DeWitt, and I wanted to tell someone about the key Father gave me for my 18th. I'm not going to read all of this to you guys. So here is the package all wrapped up with a letter. How gorgeous is this? And it says, thank you right here. I am just... Oh, there's keys all over it. How cute is that? Ooh, it's golden. Ooh, and it's this kind, an infinity scarf. Oh, I love these. They make it so simple, right? I'm going to wear this for the rest of the video. Okay, now we're going to open the box that it came in. So I feel so bad because I didn't get to take a picture and show everybody how cute it was. All right, but anyway, I digress. You guys get to see. That's why you need to watch the video and read the review. All right, so if I can get it off, there we go. I think that'll work. That should work. Okay, so this box has like little leaves. It looks like leaf cutouts. Oh, it's a leather-bound journal. How cool is that? So this is like, look, I'm gonna show you guys how pretty. Oh, cool, look. And there's your bookmark, and there is the outside, and then the inside has these like those weathered pages. I am just in love. And it's on a binder, which is super neat. Oh, I love that. I love this. It's so cool. Okay. So here's our next item. And it also comes with its own letter. Everything has its own letter. Well, almost. I mean, not every single thing, but the little packets. Isn't that neat? Ooh, is this a brooch? And it's so cool. Oh, look at that. I love that. All right, so here it is. It has some like, because my new lighting. Let me know what you think of it down below. Look at that ship. Can you see it? And it has like some little crystals in it and this black piece here. That's pretty neat. All right, let's keep going. Here's more letters. There's so many letters. And then each box comes with a really cool card. So this one is from Tree Free Greetings. And look. How cool! And it is, this one actually has the photo back inside, a little, you know, it's a little lighter, but it's there. And it has a blue envelope. My hair is like literally just in my eyes. Is that what I signed up for? All right, next we have, I don't know, another letter, which is so cool. I hope I don't get these out of order. They're probably in dated order, so I hope. Ooh. All right, so first we have, these are from, we're going to look on the card then. These elephant earrings. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. They have like an orange stone and there's a little elephant. So that's neat. And then we have this. What? Ooh, look at that. put it? Oh, I don't know yet. So as you can see, look. Isn't this, it looks like the box, the story for this one is like, it's somebody that's traveling around like the world maybe, or something like that. But I love, look at the little bells. They're even like inscribed. That is so cool. Probably one of my favorite items in this box so far. Loving it. All right. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting to show you guys how the box looks. I know some of you like are really into that. I'm sorry. I apologize. All right, so here's our little, this is usually jewelry is in these. A Little Touch of Magic. Oh, look. Ooh, look at that. So it's on this thing so it doesn't get tangled. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at the sparkle. Oh my goodness. I actually really love this. Like, love this, because it could go with anything. But like perfect for evening wear, but not like a dress. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? All right, what's next here? There's a couple more items in this box. So we have a hem Buddha de la Suerte incense. So I don't, Mumbai, Bangalore. So there's that. There's a box of those. And then down here, there's like one more item. I don't know what it is, but we're going to find out. Oh, chopsticks! Oh my goodness! Oh, I love these. These are cute. These are really pretty. I like that design. If you want to see better pictures, always check out my blog because I take really good ones. And then in the bottom of the box, there's a letter. Oh no, we're not even done yet. Wow. There's a letter. And then there is this, it looks like card, like stationery. It's like an antiqued green. Isn't that beautiful? So that is everything that I received in my Little Touch of Magic. If you're interested in the review, I'll link to that. I'll also link to them below. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.